Good morning everyone. I Renuka Ganesh Suryavanshi. Today I'll speak on one value, patience. Importance of patience in our life. Patience is a form of actions. Patience means what? Patience means waiting for something calmly, slowly, without getting upset, boring in any difficult situation. Patience is a key success of a element. Patience is not the ability to only wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while you are waiting. Patience is a bitter, but its fruit is a sweet. Having a patience in ourselves can create a new ways to handle yourself in a difficult situation. Everything is difficult before it makes easy. Patience is so much important that what you start any kind of work, whether it's a personal or whether it's a professional, it takes time to evaluate and reach out to most of people. A small example: suppose if you are stuck in a traffic jam, if you are frustrated with a difficult any difficult project, so impatience is a natural thing because a reaction is totally different going on your way. That time, learning to control and neutralize your impatience will help you become a calmer, happier, and more understanding no matter what frustrating situation you find in yourself. A very small story I want to share here. See, three young men was once given three kernels of a corn and by a sage, and who advised them, go out into the world and make your good fortune. So first one put the bowl and put these three kernels of corn into that bowl and boil them and ate them. The second one is what doing? The second one out to the first, they planted these three kernels of corn. Within a few months, he had three stalks of a corn. He took the ears of a corn. And boiled them and had enough meal for a 3 times. The third one is what doing? The third one man planted the 3 kernels of a corn and he till to the 3 stalk of a corn. See, 3 stalk of a corn. He produced 3 stalks of a corn from that 3 kernels of a corn. He planted the first one stalk of corn into the farm. He stripped down the all ears of corn and he replanted again in a farm. The second one stalk he gave to the sweet maiden, and the third one part he ate them. So when he reproduced the first part of the corn, first part of the stalk, he got 200 stalk from that one stalk of the corn, and he continually again and again replanted the kernels of corn in his farm and keeping a small part, bare minimum part to eat. He eventually planted 100 acres of corn farm with his fortune. He not only won the sweet maiden hand, but also he purchased the land owned by the sweet maiden father, and he never hungered again. So children, moral of the story, we have to be patient in ourselves. Try to be a patient in ourselves when it's a hectic situation, because patience is only one of the most helpful skill that you help in your frustrated situation and keeping your mind focused rather than taking any instant action. So as the most of successful people having having such a quality patience. So having a patience in our self. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Maria Hussaini from 5th Standard 5th A. Today's thought is apologizing does not mean that you are wrong and the other person is right. It means that you value your relationship more than your ego. Thank you.
Good morning. October 29 is the 302nd day of the year, 303 in the leap year. In the Gregorian calendar, 63 days remain until the end of the year. Famous divorce. What happened on this day in history? October 29, actor Frank Sinatra and first wife Nancy Barba divorced due to the immediately after 12 years of marriage. One of a country music longest lasting couples. US stock markets crash. 1929, the stock market crashed on a Black Tuesday. On the New York Exchange, billions of dollars were lost, wiping out thousands of investors, and stocks tickers ran hours behind because the machinery could not handle the tremendous volume of trading, partly due to the crash America and the rest of the industrialist world spiraled downward into the Great Depression from of the 1930s. Some of the closing price from this day are listed below. US Steel 175, Westinghouse Electric 125, American Telephone 220, American